In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix CapCut couldn't sign in, try again later problem. So if you're currently facing that exact problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So the first step you're going to do is to actually just close your CapCut app. I closed my CapCut app and instead I went into my settings on my phone. So go into your settings and then you should be taken to a page similar to this basically. Now scroll down in here a little bit until you can see where it says general. So click on general in here. Now what you're going to do is to scroll down and find where it says storage. As you can see, for me it says iPhone storage in here, but for you it might say something else. But just click where it says storage basically. And now we need to unfortunately wait a couple of seconds for this page to load. And it might actually sometimes, for some of you right here that is watching, it might actually take more than a couple of seconds depending on how much memory that you basically use on your phone. But as you can see, it's now actually done, so we can just scroll down and then find CapCut in here. Click on CapCut and then you're going to click on Upload App. Once again, click on Upload App in here. Because what will happen then is that you will now actually fix this app. So I'm going to click on the blue button here again, and then I will now automatically get a new update on my CapCut app. And this new update that I actually got was able to fix my problem. So after this, I just went back into my CapCut app after it's done right here, and then I was able to sign in once again because it basically just fixed all the bugs that were in the previous version. So try this method right here and see for yourself if you're now able to log back in into your account. And I hope that this video will be able to help you with this issue.